If you've been dealing with nagging shoulder pain and nothing seems to work, you're not alone. The truth is, most traditional healthcare approaches completely overlook a major key to fixing your shoulder, and that's your shoulder blade. Today, I'm going to show you the #1 exercise you must do for lasting shoulder pain relief. I'm Dr. Joey Seyforth, online shoulder rehab specialist, and we help active adults get to the root cause of their shoulder pain and fix it without useless injections, surgeries, or pills. If you've been told to just rest, take painkillers, or even consider surgery, but your pain keeps coming back, here's why. Most treatments focus only on the shoulder joint itself, completely ignoring how the shoulder blade, aka scapula, plays a massive role in movement and stability. Your shoulder isn't just a ball and socket joint. It relies on the scapula to move properly. If your shoulder blade isn't functioning right, you'll end up with impingement, stiffness, and chronic pain. So we have our shoulder blade right here, and we have our shoulder. If our shoulder blade's not upwardly rotating enough, this is what happens. As we rotate, that ball is getting compressed between the shoulder and shoulder blade right there. That's where we're getting that impingement. The impingement can be on different tissues. It could be on bursa. If we look at this side, if we actually get the shoulder blade to upwardly rotate the entire way to that 60 degrees right there, we can lift our arm all the way up. We no longer have that impingement. We can also reach across our body and reach back, and that's going to significantly offload the shoulder and make it feel a lot better. By clearing the space and giving your shoulder more breathing room, you can unlock overhead positions. Shoulder blade restriction is like wearing a tight shirt. When you go to lift your arms overhead, what happens? It feels stuck, sticky, and you're not able to get into those positions because of the restriction. A common mistake in shoulder rehab is using the down and back cue when moving overhead. While this cue works for some movements, it actually locks the shoulder blades down, preventing them from moving freely for overhead. Your shoulder blades are designed to move upward and outward as your arms go overhead. If you force them down and back, you're restricting their natural motion, leading to impingement, stiffness, and even more pain. Check out this client we're working with and where he started with the shoulder blade rotation. We can see the shoulder blades on both sides. This left shoulder blade is rotating about 30 degrees. So this is not getting enough rotation here. So that relies on the shoulder to get the rest of the motion. This is supposed to be about 60 up here. If that happens and the shoulder blade runs out of room, the shoulder has to pick it up. This shoulder is not dropping on this side. Notice how we have a crease here?
Right.
We're not having a crease on this side. So we know for you so far, just from that stuff, we have to address the shoulder blade, getting more upward rotation, and we need to teach that shoulder and the ball and socket to drop. That's going to give you a little bit more freedom of movement through there. Now that we understand the anatomy behind the shoulder blade, let's dive into the #1 exercise for shoulder pain called a wall slide. For this exercise, you're going to head over to the wall and place one foot in front of the other for stability. Next, you're going to place your hands on the wall at shoulder height, elbows slightly off the wall. Adding a light push with your hands into the wall, you're going to slowly slide your arms upward, leaning your chest forward at the top. After that, you're going to return to the starting position, focusing on keeping movements smooth and controlled. A good prescription for this exercise is to aim for 5 sets of 10 reps every single day, splitting up the 10 reps throughout the day so your shoulder blades become unlocked and stay like that for the long term. With these wall slides and why they work, they help activate the shoulder blade muscles such as your serratus anterior and lower traps to improve control overhead. They also help restore natural shoulder movement to prevent impingement and pain, as well as training your body just to move properly so you stop aggravating your shoulder. Traditional healthcare focuses on treating symptoms with rest, medications, or even injections without addressing the real problem. If your shoulder blade isn't moving properly, no amount of resting will fix it. Wall slides retrain your shoulder to function the way it was designed to, without the need for expensive treatments or unnecessary surgery or injections. If you're tired of this shoulder pain and you've tried various exercises, stretches, physical therapy, chiropractors, injections, or even surgery, and you're not seeing the long-term results, then text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to permanently fix your shoulder pain. Our mission at Comeback Performance is to help over 1 million people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, and surgeries, and get their lives back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily content based on your guys' questions on shoulder-related topics regarding pain and rehab. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.